Welcome, Helvetica here, with a quick minimalist unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this crazy, somewhat controversial cosmic orange color. We're going to peel the seal on the back, pull the top of the cover off, and there it is. Wow. Honestly, in person, it looks quite a bit different than on camera. Very vivid and bold. A lot of traffic cone fall vibes going on here. We have a paper screen cover on the front. Flipping to the back of the phone, you can see the new camera plateau, as they're calling it. Very interesting color, kind of changes depending on the angle and lighting. Let's go ahead and do a satisfying peel on the screen cover. And there it is. Let's set that aside. Looking in the box, all we have is a USB Type-C charging cable with this nice feeling soft style cord. The only other thing in the box is a little piece of paper that says iPhone and notes that a physical SIM is no longer required. Unfortunately, we don't get any Apple stickers these days, so that's literally all that's in the box. Thank you guys for watching this minimalist unboxing. Take care.